So, tell me, where are you in 24 hours? I am calling, I am chatting, 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 I am calling, I am chatting. All my account I use to chat you, to call you. I find your number, how to contact you. I told my friend to contact you in the USA. For what is the happening of you? I think you are dead. I think you are dead. You are 15 hours active. Your cell phone is ringing. Your cell phone is ringing. I keep calling. I keep chatting, but no answer, no reply. I thought you are dead. So you don't think what is Angie will be worried of me or Angie? What happened of Angie now? I don't have update her. Did that across to your mind that Angie will be worried? Where are me now? Where is me now? What I am doing? Did that